Now let's teach. This part of the tulip flower. Crocheting is also taking out our thread. You start winding these wires round your fingertips. This tulip head is the same. Ring starter. Pinch the thread tightly first. Take out our needle. Same steps winding. Escape. Keep winding. First uplift needle. Then hook 6 short needles in this stitch. Same steps as the beginning of the ball above. And then we go in and start winding. Pull 2 coils at once. A short needle is done. Then we have to take 6 short needles. If this novice can't find it, you can mark it yourself. One, two, three. Okay, 6 short needles. I'm done now. Then let go. Tighten this thread for him. Find our first needle and insert it at this position. Pull one lead one. Then tighten. We still stand up first. And then the crochet method for our second loop is 6 plus needles. It is to hook 2 short needles in each stitch. 1 more 2. So we move on to the next stitch. Two. Next. You can count for yourself. There are 12 short needles in total in this circle. Okay, lap 2 over. Find the location of the first needle. Pull a pull needle, merge and tighten. And then we go on for the third lap. Stand up a needle. Remember the crocheting method of the third circle. Just a short needle, 1 plus needle. There are 18 short needles in total. First pin hook, a short pin. The second stitch should be hooked with 2 short stitches. The third needle and a short needle. 2 short needles. And it goes like this. That's it. This circle is now closed. Find the location of the first needle. Get addicted. Merge it. Tension. Let's continue with the fourth loop of crocheting. Stand a standing needle first. The crochet method for the fourth loop is 2 short stitches. 1 plus needle. Let's take a look. Continue in the needle we just put out. Take out the first stitch first. Second and third stitches. To hook a needle. That is, hook 2 short needles. 1 or 2. Let's loop this method. 2 short needles and 1 plus needle. There are 24 needles in total in this circle. You can also count the number of needles by yourself. And now my crocheting is over. Then teach you a way to count short needles. Take a look and bring our needle. There is an obvious V here. A V. V is for a short needle. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then count here. We should pay attention. There is a V next to the first short needle. This V is not a short needle. It's the uplifting needle that starts each lap. And this little V in the middle of each lap. This is our tension lead needle. These two are not counted as frame numbers. Attention everyone. Then we find this position in the first frame. Pull a lead. Okay, we're done with our 4 lap crochet. Laps 5 to 11 are all unreduced. Short needles. Hook a short needle inside each stitch. Okay, crochet it yourself. Okay, we're now done for lap 11. Then continue to find the location of the first needle. Merge and pull a promotion. And then we take the last lap. The line left behind, don't cut it too short. Keep it longer. As a suture. That's about it. Then cut. And we pull this wire over to it. We continue the same way. Put some stuffed cotton in it. Everyone likes this flower. If you jump a little bit, you can also. Just a little more cotton. It gets bigger. A little better. It's almost there now. Then take out our stitches. Go through this thread. And then we start to do a flower head suture. Just pinch the flower tightly. Find this point on its symmetrical side. Direct injection. There's not a lot of skill involved with this suture. Mainly in the middle. Just a line. Now, here's another needle. Tension. Be sure to remember to tighten it. Then to us just now. This place of the first stitch. We're in. Come in again and start stitching our other side. Then you can directly compare this line. This is the middle part. Pick out the first shot. Then the needle goes through from below and tightens directly. Then go through. Then look for it again. The middle part of our side. Come from here. Then it also goes directly through from below. Go through this opposite, underneath this section, come through. Direct tension. The following stitch goes to the one next door. You can directly enter the needle in the middle here. Go to the second stitch below the opposite here. In this way, its flower head will not be too puffy. It will have an arc that this is dug in. Let's take a look. Then we are the same. It's also tightening our coils. Then we insert the needle anywhere on the side. Bring him the thread in. Give him a few more stitches. So it's strong. Won't open. Okay, you can cut this thread. You can also be like me directly. Just take scissors and stuff it in. Alright, so we have a tulip head part. It's done.